$1,100 made in US. We have placed red flags on your account due to these charges. If you have not made the charge and would like to dispute them, please press 1 or else press 2 to allow them. Thank you for calling Bank Security Department. Please hold the line. We will connect our next available agent.
Thank you for being on the line. You were speaking with Alex Brown from the Visa Department. How may I help you?
Yeah, hi. I just got a call like there have been some transactions on my credit card, but I don't know anything about that. Can you please explain?
This morning around 4 a.m., there are two suspicious charges has been made. The first charge is for $400 on Amazon online shopping, and the second charge is for $2,100 for purchasing Google Play gift cards. So are you the one who authorized both of the charges?
No, not at all.
All right. So those were the fraud charges which is going through from your card. Somebody has got your card information and they have used it.
So what is the solution? How can I claim them back?
I'm sorry. What you want to claim, sir?
I want to claim back my money. I don't want my money to go like this. Okay, first of all, can you go ahead and block my card? I don't want any more transactions.
Can you just verify me the first four numbers in your card for the verification and cancellation of the charges?
Okay, just give me 1 second. I need to pick my card out from my wallet. Hello? Are you still there? Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, so it's like 4520
Yes.
8765
Yes.
5687
Yes.
9856.
And I do believe you also got an access code with us with the TD Bank.
Yes.
Can you just verify me that card number, the bank card number, the debit?
Okay, just give me 1 more second. I'll take that out as well. Yes, I have it with me. It's 4724
Yes.
8976 5643 2567.
I'm sorry?
2567.
So it should be 16-digit card number.
Yeah, I told you 16 digits.
No, it's 47248976. Then?
5643 2567.
Yes. So can you just verify me the Visa card once again?
Okay. 4520 8765 5687 9856.
I'm sorry, it's after 8765, then what?
8765 5687.
Okay, and what's the name, sir?
Bikram Singh.
Vikram Singh. Sir, let me tell you one thing, okay? When you're verifying me the debit card, which is 4724, TD debit card always starts with the number 4724090. चूतिया बन गया तू
तू बना चूतिया बे, इतना देर से तेरे को क्या लग रहा है? तेरे को क्या बता रहा हूँ मैं? तेरे को लगा सही बता?